Come on here. Come on. Get in the woods. Let's get out of there. Hey! Let's get in there. Yep. Headed right for the cow pasture. He's still in there. Did 300 yards. If I can get him here about 150, I can call him out. Come on here. Shut it down. Come on here. Come on. Shut it down. That's enough. Come on, man. Well, we managed to break them down. We got one here. We're going to catch you up. Come on, man. Load up. Load up. Load up. Good job. That's what I'm talking about. You're going to make a hound, son. Get up in there. Get in there. Good job, man. Catching up, loading up. Look at you go. It's going to make a hound. Baying coat. Ain't no telling what happened to that coat. That little fawn killer probably ain't with us no more. Oh yeah. Them other two, they done shut down too. They on their way back. They're recalling pretty good. Tell you what, I'm pretty proud of these young dogs. Baying and fighting coyote. Handling real good, loading up in the truck. This is what I like. Good, easy hunting pleasure dogs. No road runners, no cut and slash trash. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Let's go to the house. Come on. Load up. Come on. Load up. Hey. Come on. Load up. Good job. Come here. Ooh, what you get? Two down, one to go. Third one's on his way. He's recalling out there. Just big rope up, I ain't gonna need that. Well, we finally got a hawk coming out of there. He was in there about 500. Just really couldn't tell what direction we were. We got him hollered out of there. He's coming now. He's trucking too. I end up having to give him just a tad bit of that juice. He's coming on 227, 225. He knew he better get his butt out of there. Yeah, he heard that tone change in that voice. He said he better get his butt on out of there. He knew he was in trouble. Come on, Hawk. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's get out here and go to the house. I can't breathe. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Load up. Come on. Come on. Load up. There you go. Yeah, y'all heard them water bowls, didn't you? Well, you didn't have a bad night. About 5 hours of running. I'm pretty sure we bathed and caught one coyote and then got over on another. I caught him trying to cross this old spot here going to the cow pasture. Get back. Well, you're not running no more. You better get your drink. Come on, get a drink. One want to get hard-headed on us there at the end. I do a little discipline. Come on, man, get up here and get your drink.